Yo, what is up everyone? Welcome back to another video, and in today's video I will be making the smash burger. Keep watching. So basically, if you don't know what a smash burger is, it's basically the meatball and then you smash it, and then you got the brioche buns and also the cheese. If you would like to see more of these videos, then please like and subscribe, and now sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Putting everything else aside, we got the beef. So the beef is literally just minced beef slash ground beef. You can use either, but the most important thing is the ratio, and that is 80-20, which basically means 80% lean and 20% fat. Now what we can do is make some meatballs out of it, so then we can smash them later. Now after you made the meatballs, it should look like this. Now you might be wondering why the heck I have pre-smashed patties, and that is simply for another video. We will be using the meatballs today. Now the next ingredient we need is buns. For mine, I chose brioche buns that I just bought from the supermarket. You can either make these buns yourself or buy them from the supermarket like I did. Whatever way you choose, they're both gonna be insane. Now the second last ingredient we need is cheese. And now you might be wondering, Harry, why do you eat plastic? This is absolutely disgusting. First of all, if you say that, I'm gonna get mad at you because it is absolutely delicious and nothing can replace this in a classic smashed cheeseburger. The next step would be to create a very simple burger sauce. For my sauce, all I added was 1 part ketchup, 1 part mustard, 1 part mayo, and a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. Mix them well, and now you have a delicious burger sauce to go along with your smash burgers. Now that we have our pan on the stove, all we gotta do now is just pour some oil in and just lightly toast the buns a little bit. I would recommend somewhere around 1 minute, and then just take them out immediately. What you want to do now is to grab one of the buns base and now just put the sauce that we made on top of it. Make sure you be generous, as that sauce is tasty. Now that your pan is now preheated for at least 5 minutes on the highest setting, what you want to do is literally just place the meatball down, and after like 10 seconds, just smash it down as hard as you can with a spatula like I am doing right here. After around 1.5 minutes, what you want to do is just sprinkle some salt and pepper, dig underneath and flip the patty. After around 30 seconds, all you gotta do is just place your cheese down, and when your cheese starts to melt and get stuck on the pan, just take the patty out and put it on the burger. Now that the whole cheeseburger was done, or should I say smashed cheeseburger or smash burger, let's take a look at the cross section. Damn, that is absolutely juicy, and I can't wait to give it a try. Anyways, please subscribe if you want more content like this, and consider dropping a like and comment, but other than that, it's Harry here, peace out.